We could look at the advantages of being an independent artist. Okay, the advantages of being an independent artist. So one, if you be an independent artist, what they happen be say you have control over the direction and the creative content of your music, and because of that, there's no pressure. If you decide to record 10 albums in 2 years, because if you're an independent artist, you did no pressure for anywhere. You record your songs. You get what I talk. Now, the next point be you explore your lyrical content. Because you know, be signed to a label, you be an independent artist, you have the opportunity to explore or be innovative with all the musical styles where you go feed do. Also, because you be an independent artist, you have the ability to explore the freedom of you expressing yourself in your lyrics and who you really are. You get what I talk. Another thing to be like the ownership of your songs. Baby, you know you your own. So Charlie, if you know you own your songs, the royalties too soon or royalties will come your there. Music publishing, if you get a good publisher where they do your things for you, that'd be cool, you know. And your music streaming money, it will come your there. All these internet radio and karaoke versions of your songs, those ones that they put for, be like Sound Exchange and things, your song licensing, all those deals in terms of money, it come your there. And because of that, you run your thing. Because you know you run your thing, you get to expose all your music worldwide. You understand? To any platform. Now, when you be an indie artist where you put your act together, right? What they happen be say, if a label wants sign you, you have the opportunity to call the shots. So your record deal will be different from somebody where you don't have any job done to himself in talent or a career. You understand? So you don't have anything to say or any choices to make because you've built your career over a period of time. You have certain things to say if some big label won't sign you. So say it will be a bad deal. You get what I talk. So if you want to survive as an independent artist, make sure say you go build yourself. Now, truth be told, it not be easy. Say you be artist where they come up, you alone go develop your talent, you alone go do this, you alone go do that, you alone go teach yourself how to sing, you alone go find a music pub. No, nah, you don't go do all that. That's why you need a team around you.